Hello everyone and welcome back to another Weather Guy video. Today we'll be talking about Winter Storm Lamont. Winter Storm Lamont will be moving across the country this weekend into early next week and will be producing decent snow totals. Alright, I am filming this on my laptop, so this is very experimental. So if we move along through here, you can see that this storm will be affecting the Midwest, part of the Northeast, mostly interior, and move off with a second system then developing in the Southwest and moving northeast as well. So let's start all the way back currently. Right now there's a low pressure in South Dakota. That'll be moving southeast and creating snow in the Midwest. That snow will continue to push east and then moves off the coast. Then we have a severe threat in the south. That keeps moving, and then we have the second system developing in the southwest, which is snow and then rain as well, and then that moves north and east as well, with another severe threat in the southeast. Then another low pressure develops, and that heavy rain and snow moves into the northeast, and Boston could see some snow on the back end of this. That's not an impossibility. Then that all moves off, and then we get this high pressure in the mix, and we should be seeing some clearer skies. Now let's move on to weather.us. Let me click off all these ads. They can be distracting sometimes. Alright. So, here's our storm system right now. As you can see, some moderate snow over South Dakota. Then we can continue moving along here. And then you can start to see that rain starting to get pulled up from the Gulf, trying to meet with that snow up north. Then when they do meet, we start to see the colder, snowier side to the east, with that wet, rainy side to the southwest. That continues to move. Sorry about the ads, that's just the website. I'm trying to show you guys the, let me see if I can do this. Hold up one second. Let's get a better view for you guys here, and the ads come back. Right. There we go. So you can see that there's snow in the north and east, and in the south and west you can see some rain, some mixed precipitation in the middle there. Then that just continues to move east, and then you start to see your severe threats start to work up. That pink is your thunderstorm. Light pink is light to moderate thunderstorms. That dark pink, almost like a purple color, is your very severe thunderstorms. That keeps moving north and east. Then we start to see our northeastern impacts as well as the severe threat ramping up in the south. Also some heavier rain in the north as well. Then the snowy part, as well as some rain, mostly along the I-95 corridor, moves into the northeast, whereas the severe threat is still lingering where it was in the south. And that stays for the same for a bit, and then that all starts to move east. But the southern portion is going to start, it's here now, it was here. It's kind of doing this rotation. It's going to end up more lateral at the end of the storm. So the entire storm system moves off the northeast coast, but as you can see, the severe threat still lingers in the south, and the rain is still pushing through. Now you can see that severe threat is more lateral. Then you see that second system develop with the snow in the Rocky Mountains in the southwest. And then you continue to see that severe threat, then it winds down, but then you get the second system now with snow and rain in Texas, as well as the start of another severe threat. This is the southern soaker portion of the storm. Then you can see that line of thunderstorms there, and then a little bit more snow for the Midwest, even into the Northeast possibly. Some freezing rain threats there as well. This is Thursday. Then you can see that severe threat again. And then that all moves off the coast. So there is two parts to this storm system. Now that second part, if the European model is right, could be named its own separate winter storm. But if the GFS model is correct, then it'll probably just be one system, all named Lamont. And we are going to go to snow depth. As you can see, we're going to see some, so we're starting off with this amount. So a very small amount of snow, but primarily the snow is going to be right here. There's the target point for this system. And we're going to kind of move it along here. So yeah, here's our target area. We could see some more snow over here, but very little. Mostly it's just going to be right here. That's your target zone according to the European model. Now, according to the GFS model, we have, let's see here. So according to the GFS, it's a little bit further north with some snow totals in the Northeast as well. And that's basically it. As always, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. As I always say, stay safe, let the crews do their thing. They're there for your safety, and I'll see you guys next time.